team, along with Takshay sir, who is also a Lion member. On behalf of Lions Club of Ahmedabad 11 educators, I welcome you all. We are here assembled to have a seminar on the topic Empowering Self Through Leadership. So, which is going to be conducted by Shreya ma'am. She is a HR business consultant, a corporate trainer, and so we all welcome you. Thank you.
No charm, excitement नहीं है आज का. How energetic you are today. उतना ही energy के साथ आपको बोलना है, ठीक है? Very good morning. No, I guess मेरी आवाज ज़्यादा है. Once again, very good morning. Okay, so it seems you are still not excited, but I'll make you excited today. So, okay, I'll move. I'm not very comfortable to stand at one place. Today we all are here to learn something. Correct me if I'm wrong. Right? Okay. So today I'm going to make you very much unique in your life, whether it is personal, whether it is professional, whatever you are doing. I'm going to change the way you see. I'm going to change your perspective. I'm going to change the picture about your career or about your family and everything. So, okay. So if I tell about me, let me introduce myself. I am Coach Shreya Parikh. I am founder of Huminivex Consulting and Training. I am into HR business consulting. I am into corporate training, and I am the career mentor. So whether it is students, whether it is teachers, whether it is professors, I am going to change your life again. I am going to transform yourself. आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों को आज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए? Hardly 50%. Now I want all of you to raise full hands. आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों को आज ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए? All of you, right? So I want you to be as energetic as me. मैं जितना बोलूँगी, जितना पार्टिसिपेट आपको करवाऊँगी, I would be expecting आप करो. Before we begin, I would say that life is unpredictable. Right? All of you agree with me? अभी का एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. Before 15 minutes, I was just talking to man कि कभी-कभी ट्रेनिंग में टेक्निकल इश्यू होते हैं, and I faced that technical issue today. So thankful to her that she managed another laptop and we were able to start on time. So in the same way, this is not seminar, this is the workshop. Now, can you tell me what is the difference between seminar and workshop? Okay, I am repeating. If you want transformation, you need to participate in the training, right? You are the teachers and teachers are the true leaders. अगर teachers में leadership नहीं है, if you are not taking initiative, then how I can expect that students can learn from you? Are you agree with me? Yes? जैसे हम फैमिली की बात करते हैं, तो अगर पेरेंट्स इतनी इनिशिएटिव नहीं है, तो अपना बच्चा या तो ज़्यादा इनिशिएटिव हो जाएगा या तो नहीं होगा. So I want all of you to be participate over here. Are you with me? Yes. Okay. Before we begin with the training session, which language would be comfortable for you? You want me thorough English? You want me in Hindi? You want me in Gujarati? Or you want me to have the combination of all three languages? Whatever I am comfortable. Anyone who is not comfortable with Gujarati? Okay, perfect. So I'll make it in Hindi and English. Okay. So yes, I recently got appointed as a state secretary of CIMSME. So CIMSME is the International Forum of Networking of Entrepreneurs, and there I recently got appointed. So I will be there to prepare the strategies to plan for all the webinars and seminars happening over there. So let's begin with our today's session. So the topic of the today is empowering self through leadership. So can anyone tell me which is the most powerful word over here? Empowering. Okay. Self. Okay. How many of you say that empowering is the most powerful word today? आप लोग में से कितने लोग ऐसा बोल रहे हो कि empowering सबसे powerful word है? वही नहीं? अभी तो काफी लोग बोल रहे थे empowering is the most powerful word. Okay, self is most powerful word. Doesn't matter wherever you are going, whatever you are doing, किसके साथ आप deal करते हो, कैसे deal करते हो. If you are not confident about yourself, you are not going to get success in your life. And that is why I told you that today I am going to transform your life. So, let's begin. What is this? Hands-free? It is not only hands-free. Is it normal hands-free? It's tangled. So can anyone tell me why this headphone is tangled? Yes?
Because it is not kept properly.
It is not kept properly. Okay.
Not managed.
Sorry?
Not managed.
Not managed. You are close. Okay. Then
Shows unorganization of an individual plus weakness.
shows the person is unorganized. Okay. You are still close. Why this headphone got tangled? How many of you are using headphone? Probably all of you. That was too long. Okay. कितनी बार आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने कहीं पे हेडफोन रख दिया and you found out that headphone after 3 or 4 months और you realize कि मैंने हेडफोन तो सही में रखा था but why now headphone is tangled without touching it. It happens. The reason our life is just like the headphone. If we don't upgrade ourselves, if we are not moving with the time, if we are not upgrading ourselves, then our life will be as tangled as this headphone. So it is very much important that as we are in school today, as we are going to talk about career today, it is very much important that whatever career we have to keep upgrading. If you are working with the school or if I am working with the organization since 5 years, मैं 5 साल पहले जो चीज कर रही थी वही आज करूंगी तो do you think so it will help me out? No. Do you think so it will help me to grow? No. Do you think so that whenever new people are joining in the organization after me, if I am not upgraded, do you think so I will be able to upgrade my juniors? No, it is not possible. So, but day-to-day activities, the very one activity everyone should have is to keep updating. Okay. So. Today, as I told you earlier, 2 hours of transformation. Believe me, if you are with me, if you are 100% with me, not only physically but mentally as well, then after 12:30 you will come to me and you will say that ma'am, you have transformed my life. And so I told you I want participation from all of you. So we are family today and I really don't want that you feel hesitated for anything. Whatever you feel, whatever question you have, you are free to ask. At the end of the session, we will also have the question and answer session. So, even if it is related to your personal life and you have not been able to ask to anyone, you are feel free to ask me. That is the reason I call myself as a coach because I am able to break through you. आपके जो भी problems है, it happens कि काफी सारी personal चीजें होती हैं, ना तो हम colleague को बता सकते हैं, ना तो family में किसी को बता सकते हैं. And that one thing is blocking us to grow. Telling you one of the example, 6 महीने पहले मैंने एक लड़की का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन किया था and what that transformation was all about. When she was 6 years old, today she is 30. When she was 6 years old, she was not able to sit into auto rickshaw. 6 साल की जब थी तब से वो ऑटो रिक्शा में बैठ नहीं पाती थी. And even at the age of 30, she was not able to sit in the auto rickshaw because of one incident that blocked her mind. Right, so that is we call the phobia. अगर हमें phobia है, few people have the phobia of growth, few people have the phobia of water, few people have phobia of lift, few people have phobia of heights as well. So what I did, I just went into her mind. So it is not physically, but I kept asking her the question कि क्या problem हुआ था, what was the issue you faced. And after 2 months, I got a call from her that ma'am, today I am coming to the session in auto rickshaw. Why this happened? Was that me? No, it was herself that उसने अपने आप को इतना ready किया, इतना open किया मेरे आगे, so that she could able to break her fear. So I want all of you that 2 hours of transformation I am going to break you up, but you need to be open up with me. आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि मैम ये बार-बार repeat कर रहे हैं, but it is very much important for me because my success, my transformation is attached with you. Right? It is saying that your transformation, the way you are teaching to the students. If the students are not learning, so is it students' failure? No, it is your failure. Right? So what we are going to do today is we will be having the introductory session about transformations. We will be having another session of getting to know yourself. अभी आप बोलोगे कि मैम हम सब अपने आप को तो जानते ही हैं, कौन नहीं जानता, right? If I ask you that what is your hobbies, I am sure you will be able to know me. But today there will be another technique I will be using so that you will be able to know yourself better. जो आपको अब तक नहीं पता था आपके बारे में, वो आपको आज मैं बताने वाली हूँ. Next is why the transformation happens and how it happens. Next is there will be a question answer round, and at the end there will be new rule. Of course, the whole session will be having a break as well. So I am sure I won't bore you. I will give you the free time of 10 minutes. So are you all ready to begin?
Yes.
Okay. How many of you like to play riddles? Riddles बताना मतलब riddles play करना किसको पसंद है? Everyone, you know, we feel our childhood. अभी मैं यहाँ से पास हो रही थी, मैंने मैम ने बोला I saw the small chairs and I told her that I am missing my childhood. क्योंकि हम लोग बड़े होते हैं when we are coming into the adulthood, तो हम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि we have missed our बचपन. I am sure being you into the school आपको ये चीज़ ज़्यादा फेस करते होंगे कि हम भी ऐसा किया करते थे. You know, so today I am going to make you child again because when you are a child, you are very much innocent. You are not feeling so much adulthood in you. You are feeling very much free to ask whatever you want. हम लोगों को पता होगा, especially people who how many faculties are into junior KG to third standard? Okay, approximately 10 people. कितने बार ऐसा होता है कि बच्चे ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि हमारे पास उसका आंसर नहीं होता है? Many times, I would say most of the time. I have the nephew of 2 years old, and the way he is acting, he is not speaking at this moment. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि wow, I mean, he is understanding everything, which was out of my imagination. So that is the reason I am going to make you a kid again. So it is time for riddle. Is it visible at last, or you want me to switch off the light? Visible. Okay. So what you need to do, you all have the notepad here. You all have the pen. आपको riddle का आंसर नहीं बोलना है. You just need to written your answer in your notepad. That is condition number 1. Condition number 2. As soon as you get the answer, you just need to clap once. Okay? For an example, अगर riddle है उसका आंसर 1 है, तो what I'll do, I'll write 1 in my notepad. After writing it, I'll just clap. Audible enough कि ये पूरे क्लासरूम को सुनाई दे, तो किसी को पता चले कि नहीं ये पर्सन को riddle का आंसर आ गया है. All your notebooks are ready?
Yes.
Okay. Are you so shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, so here goes, yeah, one more thing. Every riddle will have only 30 seconds. So you need to apply your mind as much as fast as you can. Okay? Again asking if it is visible. Visible, ma'am? Over here? Okay. So we are beginning. This is your riddle number 1. Time is running. We have 30 seconds. Okay. Wow, loud enough. Super. किसी को अब तक नहीं आया? Everyone got the answer? Wow. Okay. So it is 7. Okay. Let's move to next one. I'll go a little bit faster.
So much glare it is. We are not able to.
You are not able to. When you switch off the light, it is glaring.
Ma'am, if you can read.
You want me to read? Okay. What word is pronounced the same if you take away 4 of its 5 letters? What word is pronounced the same if you take away 4 of its 5 letters? Anyone did clap? इसने किया clap? Wow, one person. Super. So it is Q. Correct? Okay. Moving to next, I will be reading that, so you don't have to be very much conscious about this. What is 3/7 of chicken, 2/3 of cat, and 2/4 of a goat? What is 3/7 of chicken, 2/3 of cat, and 2/4 of a goat? Okay. Wow. We still have 5 seconds. How many of you got it? 3 people? Okay. So, the answer is Chicago. So, 3/7 of chicken is first 3 letters. Okay. 2/3 of goat is first 2 letters. And 2/4 of goat is the first one. Okay. Moving to next. Give me a moment. I guess I have the answers over here. Okay. Since it will come with the answer, but let's go ahead. All the slides are having that, but it's okay. We'll do it later on in the session. Okay. Now from here, our session is beginning. Remember I told you that you need to be with me? Yes. So now I want all of you to do one exercise. Now what that exercise is, I want all of you to write down in the notepad that who are you. I don't want your name, I don't want your surname, I don't want your profession. What I really want over here is, now your name with your prefix. Now what prefix is all about? For an example, my name is Shreya. Okay. So before Shreya, I will add one prefix which starts with the my letter. So that is S. That prefix should not be negative. It has to be powerful. It has to be have the positive meaning. So let's say I would call myself, that is always I call is I am Sunshine Shreya. So when I use the prefix, I really mean it. Okay. For an example, ma'am, what's your name? Neha. So she will use the prefix with the word starting with an. So anything in your mind? Notorious Neha. So she must be notorious if I am not wrong. Okay. So whatever prefix you are using, it should match with your personality. It should match with your nature. It should be something that you really feel like that. So that is your name, your prefix. What is your goal? आप लोगों में से कितने लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा था कि after 5 years I want to be this, or after 1 year I want to be this, but we are not able to reach at that stage, right? It is not something I am talking about promotion. As we are talking about ourselves today, I am talking about myself. For an example, 3 years back when I started my own consultancy, I had one aim that I want to grow on the state level, and today I am at state level. So I really want you to write your goal. Forget the past because we are not going to change it, but we are talking about future. It's Corona, I understand many of you will not be able to do whatever things you want, but it is just a matter of next 6 months. Your goal should be somewhere that where you want to reach in the year of 2023. Okay? Next is what you want to get out of this training. This is very, very, very much important for me, and this is very much important for you as well. I am sure that today you are here because you want to learn something. Now there is one thing in life you need to remember. It is not learning that matters. I am sure I will be the first one who would tell you this, that it is not learning that matters. Right? और किसी ने बोला है पहले? सब लोग ये बोलते हैं कि learning करना चाहिए. How you should learn is important. So number one, whenever you are learning, आपको regular interval पे उसको unlearn करना है. What is unlearn? आप 2 साल पहले जो करते थे वो चीज़ आज नहीं चलने वाली. So you need to unlearn that, and then you need to relearn it. So the cycle of learning, cycle of transformation, cycle of updating yourself is learn, unlearn and relearn. So what kind of things you want to learn today out of the training is very much important, and which challenges are you facing in your profession? I am sure even I am facing the challenge. It is not like ma'am हमें तो कुछ challenge ही नहीं है. If you don't have the challenge, that means you don't have the mindset to grow yourself. So I want you to write whatever challenge it is. It is like you can mention that. You can mention I have the family issues, or it is very difficult for me to do the work-life balance, or So don't take it otherwise at first, but many of us are not able to grow in ourselves, in our career, because we don't have the supportive colleagues. So today, I don't want you to think about what person sitting beside you is thinking about you. I want whatever thing you are thinking for yourself. Right. Now tell me, today you are working here. Is it for you or is it because of your colleague? Right? But many of the times we are not able to do few things because we are not getting that support from our colleagues. And the worst part, I would say, that we are not even able to talk about it. So today, as it is for yourself, so I want you to write that what kind of challenges you are facing in your profession. Are we good to go? So we have 5 minutes. I want all of you to write these answers. If you want more time, I will give it to you, but I really don't want that ना आप जल्दी में कुछ लिखो which you really don't mean it. So it is your name, your prefix, your goals, what you want to get out of this training or out of this workshop, and which challenge are you facing in your profession. Everyone is clear? Okay. Anyone has any question? Anyone who is left? किसी का बाकी है? Okay. Everyone is done? Okay, few people are still writing. Let's wait for more couple of moments. So I read a very good tagline over here. I'm sure आप लोगों ने एक बार तो पढ़ी होगी, right? So it is, if you want to live a happy life, you need to tie yourself with a goal, not with the people. And today's transformation, fortunately, is all about this. Okay, it seems everyone is done. I want you to keep this list with you. So we will quickly have the very fast introductory round. As I introduce myself, I want all of you to introduce yourself. For me, for yourself. Okay. So आपने जो लिखा है आपको वही बोलना है. For an example, आपने आपका prefix लिखा. If she has written Notorious Neha, so she will begin. Hi, I am Notorious Neha. This is my goal. This is what I want out of this training, and this kind of challenges I am facing in my profession. Any bit secret or everyone is good to go. किसी का ऐसा है कि आप नहीं बोल पाओगे? If it is very much confidential. It happens, I am asking. No, everyone can speak about it? Okay. So, be very quick about that. We can start from you, ma'am. You want the mic? Okay.
I'm Moti Neha. I want to take more initiative and I want to take my teaching things to the next level. What I expect from this training that I want to be more energized, more self-motivated.
Okay.
My challenges is what I feel in my teaching, what I challenges which I want to overcome with that is that how to deal with the colleagues who I'm not able to, who don't able to comprehend me, what I expect from them.
Agree. Got it. Okay. Let me take a mic, I guess. So, पैसे भी सुनाई देगा, and I want all of you to know. It might possible कि out of 45 or 6 or 7 people are
Radhika. I really want to be bold.
Okay.
My goal is this.
Okay.
Okay, and I want to my teaching level.
To the next level. Okay, good. As it is Corona, I'm just taking the precaution. I hope you are comfortable if I'm passing the mic or you want it. I'm okay. So don't feel hesitated. Shall I pass the mic? You are comfortable? Okay. Okay. Yes?
Good morning everyone. I'm Annie, Ardent Annie. For some of you, Ardent means not doing any work just for the sake of doing. Okay, it has to be wholehearted. And my goal is to do best in whatever I do. And what the rest?
Challenges are preparing now for
Training. To be able to solve the problems more efficiently coming my way in a more meticulous way. And lastly, maintaining balance with work and family.
Wow. Okay.
Morning all. I am Sensitive Smita. Goal is to upgrade in preschool teaching and also to see my daughters well settled and happy old age. So and the next thing is the training I want is to learn to balance between the priorities. Where I am like really in a fix. They want to give weightage to more at what time. So that is fighting with that balance. And the challenging facing is in the profession is like little bit upgradation in the online teaching, which I am also not happy with. Like,
Okay.
if you are not happy, then I don't.
Yeah, you cannot pass the points. Okay, thank you. We have to be little bit quick, okay? You are not audible. Just need to on. Okay, sir.
Yeah, पकड़ो मत मैं पकड़.
You are very soft.
Good morning everyone. I'm ambitious Anita and my goal is to become the science teacher. And what I want from this training is I want to be self-independent and confident.
Wow, okay.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Shushma and sensitive. My goal to be better each and every day. Whatever I do, I would like to be better in doing any activity. Challenges as the same challenge to grow better and better. And what I expect from this session that I wanted to be motivated because spending so many months sitting at home and going through an online session, you all must be facing that we keep on teaching but we do not get any answer from the students. So even being a teacher, we also need a motivation. So this is the right time, I guess.
I was feeling the same thing. When I was told that Shreya तुम्हें वहाँ पे जाके training देना है, I was feeling myself alive again. क्योंकि मैं भी personally when I was giving the online webinars या तुम screen के सामने देखो, we don't know what kind of reaction student is giving. We are not getting so much response, so you will get that.
Good morning. My name is Namita Sinha and I would call myself neutral Namita. And I've got a bucket list, but presently I want to complete my MBA and to be a good educator. That is my goal. And what was the next thing?
What things you want out of this training?
Well, the training is about leadership, so I would really want to be a good leader. And with challenges I face in my profession, I think my temper is the biggest challenge that I have to overcome. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Hina Islami, and for me, honest in Hina, which is a prefix, and I want to actually establish my own NGO in the next 7 to 8 years.
Okay.
That is my goal, and I'm really working on it. And next, what thing I want to take from this training that I'm very shy person, very reserved person. I want to open.
You want to stay out of
Yes.
come out of it.
And the challenges right now I'm facing online classes, technical issues
Okay.
from across. That is the biggest thing right now.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good morning all. I am Nihal Hirani My prefix is Nagdan. My goal is I become a professor. मैं प्रोफेसर बनना चाहती हूँ. I want ट्रेनिंग में मुझे बोल्ड और कॉन्फिडेंस बनना है और टीचिंग फेसिंग चैलेंज में इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग.
I'm Asma Sheikh. The prefix I would like to give to myself is mischievous. My goal is to become perfectionist in every task that I take in hand. And from this training, I would like to take away how to be receptive in accepting the challenge that comes up every morning. And the challenges which we face in the current situation is the changes that takes place very frequently in the working methodology, in the systems, and maybe I am receptive at times, but then things become very difficult. Maintaining challenges with every task is difficult. So that is how I want to give them.
You just have to be little bit quick. I want all of you to done with the introduction by 11:15.
Okay. My prefix is Subodh Shrikala.
What how you need to say, this is for rest of the participants. How I want you to say is, don't say your name and then don't say my prefix is this. I want it is I am Sakshan Shreya, that's all. Okay? Ma'am, please continue.
It's Subodh Shrikala, and I want excellence as a teacher as well as being a mother also. And what I want to learn from here, being confident if a task is given to me, I should achieve it. And I'm I will not say I'm not interactive, but if a person don't give me that positive vibes, I'll never get back to that person. So that's my point, and I would like
To learn it.
to learn.
Yes.
Hello, I am Cynthia Smita. My goal is to keep myself healthy and active because I am 62. And for job, I want to learn something new and challenging about leadership.
Okay.
And challenging is coping with the COVID and with the profession. New method of teaching. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Radiant Shanu. My goal is I want to lead a happy life, contented life, and I am expecting from this training how to keep myself motivated. And few challenges that you will say, I want balance between my professional and personal life. I am naturally Nepal. My goal is to be the best teacher. I want to, from this training, I want to know how can I fulfill my dream. And
What are the challenges?
challenges. To express myself is my challenge. I can't express it in a very
Good morning, ma'am. My name is respected Rakhi. My goal is to keep myself happy, then also I can keep others happy. My learning from here will be that how to handle the bad situations which occur in your life. And the challenges, how to keep myself calm in bad situations. Thank you.
हेलो, मैं अनोखी आशा और मेरा गोल हिंदी और संस्कृत विषय में आज के समय अंग्रेजी माध्यम के स्कूल में बच्चों को उसमें रुचि जागृत करते रहना और चैलेंजेस ऑनलाइन टीचिंग में अभी जो नए आ रहे हैं वो है और यहाँ से मैं कुछ मोटिवेशन लेकर प्रेरणा लेकर आगे बढ़ना चाहती हूँ कि कैसे हिंदी और संस्कृत को मैं आगे ले जाऊँ विषय के साथ. धन्यवाद.
Hello everyone, I am Practical Pragati. My goal is to be upgraded myself every passing day. I want to learn through this training today to cope up with the situations, and my challenge is to maintain equilibrium in life and to be receptive. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Sincere Seemadra. मेरा मतलब गोल ये है कि मैं अपने सब्जेक्ट में बच्चों की ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रुचि कर सकूं और चैलेंजेस है कि जो भी बच्चों को आगे प्रॉब्लम्स है उनको अच्छे से हैंडल कर सकूं.
We have to be quick.
I'm
I'm cheerful Chandana. My goal is to become creative and do lots of new things which I have not explored. I want to explore myself. From this session, I want to know myself. I think you have given us a reason, you have given us some questions which we are thinking upon, and in a way I can say that we are knowing ourselves. My challenges are online teaching because the biggest thing for me is to have a good bond with my students, which I am missing a lot. So I'm not liking at all online teaching. And challenges are, I'm a person who wants to be in the comfort zone only. Changes are difficult for me, but still I want to have the changes. I want to do a lot of things, explore myself. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Harti Harsha. My goal is to make myself more practical because I do feel like I am more sentimental and today it's not required. Now I want to get out of this training is I have my own definition of leadership and I want to challenge it by today's session. What do you mean by leadership? And second is, the challenge is sometimes I do personally feel that I fail to reach out to the core of my students. I fail to understand what emotionally they are going through right now. As I'm dealing with literature, it becomes essential to understand their thinking process.
Hello everyone, my name is I'm Nature Lover Naina, and my goal is to see all my students as well as my son to be successful in their future. And from this workshop, my learning outcome should be is like I am having a stage fear, right? So that if you help me out, so it will be great for me. And challenges which I am facing in a professional life is like we all have different opinions, right? And different perspectives. So sometimes it is very difficult to deal. Obviously हम एक जैसा नहीं सोच सकते हैं. So at the same time when anybody else is different, if different opinions are there, so we have to respect their opinion also. That's what. Thank you.
What's the good name you said now?
Naina.
Myself Star Suhasini. To update myself with the time is my goal. And from this workshop I want to be more, how to be ourselves more confident and how to become a man, leadership that I want to take away from this workshop. And managing the challenges with little stress only, I want to learn. Yes, thank you.
Good morning. My name is Mark Simran. मैं अपना छोटा सा एक्टिविटी सेंटर या फिर प्राइमरी स्कूल खोलना चाहती हूँ. जब भी आगे करना चाहूँ तब, और मैं अपने आप का बेस्ट वर्जन बनना चाहती हूँ इन फैमिली, इन प्रोफेशनल लाइफ एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ में सभी जगह पे. और मुझे यहाँ पे आए हुए भी 2-3 महीने हुए थे. अभी मेरा चैलेंज यहाँ पे सेट होने का है. इन स्कूल. सो सबके साथ अच्छे से सेट हो जाऊँ, बस अभी यही चैलेंज. थैंक यू.
Good morning everyone. I am Akantam Anshul and my goals are to do PhD with net clearance and having a beautiful life ahead. Taking away, today my takeaway from this workshop is that I am actually very extrovert with everyone, but in my zone only, with my friends only. I am not comfortable talking with everyone. So I need to cope up with that. And the last challenges I'm facing is managing work and family simultaneously. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Decent People. Right now my goal is to make my son read and write, which he has lost completely because of this COVID. He is not doing that is my goal. From this training I want to transform myself and be more confident and challenging that we are facing right now as a teacher. If I am facing, we are not able to interact more with our students which we were used to do when school was running normally. So we want that more interaction with our students. That is the only challenge here. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Simple Seema, and my goal is to give the 100% whatever I do. It is fully dedicated. Means whatever I do, I want to be the best in that, more creative.
From this workshop, I would get more self-confidence as well as the quality of leadership. And second, to upgrade, challenges is to upgrade today's scenario, what is required right now. Thank you.
सभी को मेरा सुप्रभातम। मैं सौम्य सुमन। मेरा गोल इतना ही है कि जो कमी अब तक मुझ में है, अपने जिन बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हूँ, अपने बच्चों को वो कमी को किसी भी तरह से आने नहीं दूँ। दूसरा, सबकी बातों का सम्मान करूँ और इस वर्कशॉप से हर चीज़ हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखाते, सीखने के साथ उसे अप्लाई कर सकूँ इतना। और मेरे सामने टेक्निकल इशू ये है कि थोड़ा टाइम मैनेजमेंट और इंग्लिश को लेकर जो भी वीक उस पर अपना वर्कआउट करना और नई चीज़ों को सीखना। थैंक यू।
Good morning. I am Mary and Mysterious Michelle. My goal is to have a YouTube channel, perhaps by next time this year. What I want out of training is to strengthen my self-confidence. And the challenge that I am facing right now is the technical part of it. To record a video continuously for 15 minutes is really tough. So that's it.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Good Gayatri. My goal is to upgrade myself because मैं बहुत जल्दी सोचने पड़ जाती हूँ कि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत कम है, किसी के सामने जल्दी से बोल नहीं पाती हूँ। और मेरी ऑनलाइन टीचिंग जो है तो वो मेरा चैलेंजिंग है, तो मैं उसको अच्छे से। Good morning everyone. Soft and simple Sharma. My goal is to upgrade my teachings and to give more attention to my kids. And from training, my takeaway will be to be more energized. At the same time, I want to implement those things whichever I am going to learn from here. And the challenge is the time management, as I am not getting much time to interact with my students during online sessions. And at the same time, I want the balance in my school life, professional life and personal life.
मैं भावुक भारती, पर भावनाएं मुझे छू नहीं पा रही हैं। मैं यहाँ एडजस्ट होने में थोड़ी सी तकलीफ मुझे हो रही है, पर मे भी हो जाएगा समय के साथ। अभी 2 महीने भी नहीं हुए। थोड़ा है कि मैं किसी के साथ जल्दी जुड़ नहीं पाती और मुझे जो बोलना होता है मैं एकदम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बोलती हूँ, थोड़ा लोगों को बुरा लगता है, तो मुझे थोड़ा उसके लिए अपने ऊपर काम करना होगा। और मैं रोज़ खुद को भी खुश रखना चाहती हूँ और अपने आसपास के लोगों को भी खुश करना चाहती हूँ, पर शायद मैं नहीं कर पा रही हूँ। थैंक यू।
हेलो, मैं मैजिक मोहदा। मेरा गोल है आगे PhD कंप्लीट करने अपनी डिग्री के बाद। चैलेंजिंग मैं सिचुएशन को प्रॉपरली मैनेज कर पाऊँ। थैंक यू।
Hello, I am hopeful Huma and my goal is to make my parents proud, and I'm going to take from this session is leadership skills. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Versatile Vaishali. My goal is to see my loved one happy. The challenge is to grow better by keeping calm. And expectations from this session is to learn something new which I can apply in my life. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Tejaswini Trueheart. My goal is to be successful in each and every field, whether it is my personal life or it is my professional life. And what I want from this workshop, that is, I want to remove my angriness, and second thing, I want to be more confident. And challenges I'm facing, sometimes it is very difficult to cope up with my colleagues, and the second thing is stress. Thank you.
Good morning, this is Smiling Shilpi. My goal is to have a small recruitment firm, and from this workshop I would like to have the tips and tricks to become a successful independent leader. and my challenge in my life is to balance my personal and professional life. Thank you.
Good morning all. I am sincere and sentimental Shivali. My goal is to become techno-savvy where I don't need to take help from anybody. And from today's workshop, I am planning to take leadership skills. My challenges are, the most important challenge here is to be calm in the worst situation. So that is one thing which I want to cope up with. Thank you.
Anyone left?
Hello everyone. I am versatile Dipita. So Vaishali ma'am expressed that. So now I have a soft corner for, I have a love for Hindi subject also. So I am Vishwasniya Dipita. मैं विश्वसनीय Dipita हूँ. So I have a love for the subject. So my goal will be to be a Hindi teacher. I don't know when, but I will be. Maybe with Rashida, my daughter. I will be taking that degree. Yes, that is my goal. My challenges which I face, I am not good enough in allotting work. I hesitate. Despite of that, I will do that work and I will run for it. So my learning from this session will be that only.
Good morning everyone. I'm amazing Avni. My goal is I want to switch over from teaching field to being programmer. I want to establish my career in coding field. Okay, that dream is still due to some other priorities, I was not able to complete that dream. So still I want to do that thing. Challenges. Major challenges, I'm not good at communication skill. Due to that I cannot express myself and somewhere it affects, it creates imbalance between my professional and personal life. Because I can't, many times I can't say no to someone. And due to that, I ultimately it disturbs my whole that one. Okay, so that I need to learn, okay, to be more clear during the communication. And of course, I want to learn my leadership qualities.
I'm roaring and reactive, Ranjana. My strength is that I'm very punctual and I'm very straightforward. Nobody is my friend and nobody is my enemy. So I need the work and that work has to be completed. That is the only target which I have and that is the only strength which I use myself. My weakness, my goal is to make all of them leaders and take their own decisions in their class because they are the leader of their own life. They should not be, dependent on others. If this thing happens, then this thing will happen. This is not happening, that is why this is not happening. So this, I do not want that in my female leaders. So I want every one of them to be a leader of their own house, family, everything. And being leader is nothing wrong. You are more decision maker, right? You can decide the things and that is the impact which you should have. Thank you so much for having this type of leadership skills. Sir, aap bolo.
Good morning everyone. I am Silent Sanjay. मेरा जीवन का एक ही मंत्र है, मैं खुद कैसा हूँ, मेरे अंदर कितनी अच्छाई है बुराई वही देखना, किसी को ऑब्जर्व नहीं करना है और मैं सब में एक पॉजिटिविटी देखता हूँ. अगर किसी में नेगेटिविटी हो उसमें भी पॉजिटिविटी देखता हूँ. मेरी एक वीकनेस है, जहाँ पे मैं राइट हूँ तो मैं भी वो प्रूफ नहीं कर पाता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे आर्ग्यूमेंट करना पसंद नहीं है. थैंक यू.
I guess people from backbenches are still left.
Good morning all. I'm animal lover Amrita. I have many goals. कुछ complete हुए अभी बाकी है. And challenge, life is challenge. So we have achieved. Every day we face lots of problems and we have to face it. So it's my challenge.
Hello everyone. I am artistic Ashish and my goal is to become a millionaire. Because I am facing many challenges, especially in this lockdown period. So I hope I will learn many things from you today. Thank you.
Everyone is done? So how many of you had to introspect yourself that who I am really? थोड़ा introspect करना पड़ा about your skill, right? So that is what I call is leadership. जैसे रंजना मैम ने बोला that you know when you are a leader you have to be the best decision maker. Now when I am taking a decision, for an example, so I know that I am right, but we are not able to express it. Telling you my example, when I was not trainer, when I was working somewhere, so it's since 10 years I am attending so many trainings, so many seminars, because I want to learn from that. Now, जब भी मैं attend करती थी, when I was a participant, there is always the question and answer session, right? So the trainer used to ask the question and I was not able to answer. Telling you my own example, okay? I was not able to answer. 2 ट्रेनिंग गई, 3 ट्रेनिंग गई और फिर मुझे पता चला कि ये सर ने जो आंसर दिया, the trainer which how he responded was the same thing was in my mind. So what I did is what I want all of you to do, that don't afraid from failure. If you are afraid from a failure, you will not get succeed in your life. If you don't know कि आपके दिमाग में जो thought है आप उसका execute करोगे, how it will respond you, how people will react you will not able to know that you are right or you are wrong. It will be only in your mind. And until and unless you are not able to execute things, you will not be able to be a successful leader. So you need to trust your guts, and वो trust तभी आएगा जब आपको पता चलेगा कि नहीं आपने ये गलत किया है. That is what we all teach our kids. At least do it once, right? It's okay if you are failed. We have the skating reel, if I am not wrong. So what will you do अगर कोई kid आपको या कोई student आपको ऐसा बोलता है कि मैम I won't be able to do skating because I have a fear to get fall. What you will do? Try, right? So until and unless you don't take initiative to try, there is no one who is going to, hold your hand and who will teach you. I am here, I can keep the bite of a food in your mouth, but chew किसको करना है? आपको करना है. So that is what we are going to do today. So can someone tell me that who is a successful person according to you? Who is successful person according to you? आप किसी को बोलते हो कि for an example Ranjana ma'am is successful in her career, Neha ma'am is successful in her career. So what is successful according to you? Sorry ma'am? Fearless. Okay. Who is satisfied? Okay. In one word I will tell you, any person who has the leadership is successful. Whether you are leader in your life or whether you are leader in your career. If you cannot stand for yourself, then forget people will stand for you. This is the harsh truth. Okay. So, now my next question, leaders are born or leaders are made? Leaders are made. Are you sure about this? Okay. So I would say that all of you are leaders. किसको ऐसा है कि मैं leader नहीं हूँ? How many of you feel that you are not leader? You know you are leader, right? But it is just your fear in mind that you are not able to express in front of people. Now I tell you what, today I am standing here on a stage. Now do you think so I would be able to stand if I don't have the confidence? No. Someone said she has the stage fear. So what I did when I had the stage fear, you need to practice it. If you are not practicing your fear, then you are not able to come out of it. And this is to my dear teachers, all of you, your colleagues are not your enemies. Don't be afraid, okay? It's okay if you give the wrong suggestion. It's okay that, you know, if you did something wrong. If your colleagues are there to hold your hand, then there is no need to get afraid. So you are right, leaders are made. Now how it is made? Okay, now we are going to talk about, before we get at how you can be a leader, I would like to address why you are not leader. So here are the few things. Number one, you are not, I guess 70% of people told me today that the challenges you are facing is the online issue. Tell me this, very honest with yourself, how many of you watched, let's say it was 100 days of Corona, consider it is 100 days. How many of you watched 100 videos regarding the online video? I mean, how you learned online video? किसी ने सीखा? Did anyone watch on YouTube? How many times? 5, 10, 15, 20? Anyone who watched more than 50 times? Okay, I'm so sorry. Still there is a disturbance. Okay, 50 times. Who watched videos more than 50 times about how to adapt the new technology? No one. Acha. How many of you bought your first smartphone in last 10 years? Everyone? First smartphone? Okay. How many of you bought first smartphone in last 5 years? No one. जब आपने पहला स्मार्टफोन लिया था, how many hours you spent to learn it? WhatsApp किया, Facebook किया, that's all. Right? So if you are not learning new technology, then how will you make other people to learn about new technology? So technology is the first thing. You have to be techno-savvy. If you are not techno-savvy, it will not make you leader. All of you, those who say that we are having the issue about the online learning, online videos, yes, it is there, because in the career of 20 years we have never ever delivered the online videos. मैंने भी नहीं किया था. But that doesn't mean कि हम अपने आप को restrict करें वो चीज़ में. You need to take it in your mind. See, everything is about your mind. If you are taking in your mind that this is possible, believe me, you will be able to do that. It is just, even if you have 0.1% thought in your mind कि it might get failed, what I will do? वीडियो में कुछ technical issue आ गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी? मेरा हुआ था. Last week I was delivering one of the seminar and I got the technical issue for 25 minutes. Now, do you think so that it actually hurt me? It made me demotivated? No, it wasn't. Because I prepared with the situation. In the same way, you need to prepare with it. हम लोगों को ये इशू आता है कि we don't know how the students is responding screen में, तो वो चीज़ दिखाई नहीं देती है. Imagine yourself with all positive vibes that whatever you are delivering at this moment is with 100% of the energy. If you have that 100% energy in you, believe me, whether you have audience in front of you or you don't have the audience with you, you will be succeed. आपको कभी ऐसा thought नहीं आएगा कि we are getting bored. You just imagine that students are sitting in front of you. You imagine yourself that you are in your classroom and delivering the session. Don't think it is, I mean, there is a camera only. Don't take it as an object of your success. कि कैमरा की वजह से ये चीज़ नहीं हो पा रही है, कैमरा की वजह से ये चीज़ नहीं हो पा रही है. So you have to be techno-savvy. Number one, if you are not happy and motivated from your inner you are not going to make the surrounding happy. If I am a coach, believe me, what I do, that when I am sad, see, I am a human, so we all have the emotions. So whenever I am sad, what I used to do, that I used to write up the things, that what things are making me sad, why I am sad, what I can do so I can be happy again. And based on using those techniques, I am motivating myself. You don't need anyone to motivate you. Believe me, today I am here, I will motivate you. Maybe that motivation will stay for 2 days, for few people it will stay for 2 weeks. But don't expect that every 2 weeks there will be a motivational trainer and who is going to teach you. You need to be with yourself, you need to understand what makes you happy. And you need to understand that if you yourself are not motivated and happy, then there is nothing you can do about it. Next is, you are frustrated. How many of you say that I am very much angry, or I am very much short-tempered. Few of people say. So it's okay to be short-tempered, it's okay to be frustrated, but it should not affect your personal and professional life. What I usually prefer, if you are feeling very much low, you find the corner for you. Whatever you want to do, you do in that corner and come out of energetic. Okay? This is the professional life. As ma'am said, that in a professional life there is no friends, there is no enemy. If you are thinking, for an example, if ma'am is thinking that मैं इसने कुछ गलत किया है, if I am telling that you are wrong, तो हमारे relationship बीतेंगे. So it is not bound to happen when you are professional in your life. If you are a true leader, people will always respect people who gives the right opinion. Correct me if I am wrong, right? अगर friends आपके होते हैं कुछ गलत करता होता है तो आप आपको बोल देते हो कि तूने ये चीज गलत की है. It should be reflected in your professional life as well. If you are not able to decentralize work, अगर आपको खुद को हर चीज करनी है तो आप कभी आगे नहीं आ पाओगे. You need to trust other people. Believe me, you need to trust. And for an example, if you are giving me works, I will have the feeling that मैम ने मेरे पे trust किया इसलिए मुझे ये work दिया. So it will build our rapport. Plus, as she is trusting me, I will try my best not to break my trust. Right? Because it is not affecting personal relation, it is affecting professional relation here. So don't get frustrated. It's okay to be demotivated. It's okay to be frustrated as well, but it should not be for a longer period of time. Am I clear till now? Okay. And you have pressure to meet aggressive goals. How many of you agree with this, that you have some pressure on you? Be very transparent over here. कभी-कभी कोचिंग मतलब ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करने होते तो हम लोगों को प्रेशर फील होता है. Telling you why you are feeling pressure, because you are not motivated from yourself. I recently learned a very good line, and today I would like to share with you. जो ऊपर से आता है, when someone else is asking you to do, it is a pressure. But when you yourself believe that I want to do this thing, it is an inspiration. So you have to inspire yourself. Why you need other people to tell you कि आपको ये करना है, ये करना है. If I am a Hindi teacher, giving you the example, then I know what is my work. Why I am waiting for other people to tell me and teach me that तुम्हें ये काम करना है, हमें क्या लगेगा कि यार मैम प्रेशर कर रहे हैं. Giving you the general example, I don't want anyone of you to take it personal, but as it is related with the teaching field, I would like to give you the relevant example for this. So always have the inspiration for whatever you are doing. Don't think, why you are in teaching line? Is it because of French ma'am? Is it because of MLL school? You are in teaching, is it because of how? No. You are in teaching, is it because of how? No. You are in this field because you choose that field. Now when you yourself have chosen this field, then why there is a demotivation? Why there is a frustration? I asked you about the goal in 2023. Few people said they want to have the PhD. Few people said they want to have the primary school. Few people said they want to learn the new language. How many of you started doing this from this moment? No? No one? No one? किसी ने नहीं किया ना start. Everything is in mind. Someone said that I want to start my own YouTube channel maybe from next year. Who was that? Somewhere from here. You. Why not this moment? Ask yourself. Why?
I've started recording, but that's the challenge that I'm facing.
See, challenge you are facing today, until and unless you are not practicing it, you are not going to be successful. So always say yourself, whatever I want to do, I already have started from this moment. That is the first quality of leadership. All of you, I am so glad that we chose the right topic today about the leadership, because you all are afraid. Leader तो बनना है, but कैसे बनना है नहीं पता. Only one thing I would like to share with all of you is, if you really want to be a leader, you need to trust yourself. If you cannot have trust, if you cannot rely on your own decision, then believe me, who will rely on you? There is, you getting my point? For an example, if I taking the example of sports, अगर MS Dhoni, being the captain, he is not very much confident about his decision. Do you think so India will ever win? No. If you are not confident, as I told you, we are here to grow each other. We are not here to, degrow each other. Do you have that feeling that Neha ma'am will not grow? No. You will be, I'm sure you will be happy if your colleagues is growing. Because if because of you, your colleagues are growing, your colleague will help you to grow. So you should have this mindset. Next, 3 things we are going to learn is how leadership fits in your life. Next is unique quality you bring in leadership and impact you want to have on yourself to being a leader. Now, leadership is how about it is all about it, whatever you are doing in your life, whether it is personal or professional, that makes you leader. You are female, you will accept me or you will agree with me in this situation. अगर आपके वहाँ पे guest है, what will you do? आप बैठोगे और guest को काम करने के लिए बोलोगे? No, आप काम करोगे. आप किसी के वहाँ पे जाते हो, there is a dinner going on of 50 people. Will you go and help? Yes. So there are two kind of people. One who will sit on sofa and see how other people are working correctly, and there will be few female who will be always taking initiative. That you know, how may I help you? कुछ ना कुछ तो करते हैं. So if that thing you are doing in your personal life, so why not in professional life? Everything is same. Okay, that doesn't make the difference. It is just the word of the terminology. Next, how you do anything is how you do everything. अगर मैं ये मेरा जो ये present है, अगर मैं ऐसे रखती हूँ तो believe me, I am unconsciously putting it here. That is what is about me. आप कैसे खड़े होते हो, कैसे बैठते हो, how you are talking to other people, even once in a while talks about your characteristic, talks about your character. अगर आपने किसी को गलती से भी कुछ negative feedback दिया है तो believe me, it will be in your mind. It will be in mind of the other person as well. So how you do anything is how you do everything, and that is the reason आप जो भी आपकी life में करते हो, you have to be very much conscious, you have to be very much positive, and you have to be very much motivated over here. Now, can someone rate this on behalf of me? Anyone? Please, ma'am.
If your actions inspire others to do more and become more who are.
How many of you agree with this? It is everything about you. That is the reason I am telling you that if you are not very much confident about yourself, that you are not going to get success in your career, you are not going to get success in your life. I would say this, that if you are a person, let me give you the example. If you are a person and if you are going towards your purpose, then you are very much committed. If you have a purpose to have the work-life balance, then maybe you are lacking the time management skill. That is the reason you feel a little bit pressure. But you have the purpose that today by 12:30, for an example, I want to complete the session. So I am committed. And when one of the person is committed, that feels that it is a true leader. So person has people. For an example, if that ma'am in pink dress, if she is a leader, okay, and if she knows that she is committed to herself, I am sure 70% of you will go to her because she is committed to what she says. So that is the one of the quality of the leadership, that whatever you do, you should have the influence. At least आप लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि how other people will trust you. And next, if all people, all of you have the same purpose that I want to grow myself, then believe me, LML will grow. Believe me, yourself will grow, and believe me, your colleagues will grow. So you should have the only one purpose, that I want to grow myself. And if you have that purpose, then believe me, together all of us can achieve. There is no one person who is left behind, but for that you should have the commitment and you should have the purpose over here. आप सबके पास purpose है, आप सबके पास commitment है, but just because you are procrastinating things, you are not able to achieve it. अगर आज मेरे पास opportunity आती है, I remember when I started my first training session, so I was being asked, श्रेया आप training deliver करते हो? मैंने नहीं की थी, but still I said yes I do. Getting my point? Is it because I was overconfident? No. I wanted to try that whether I can be a good trainer or not, whether I can be a good speaker or not. So until unless you are not trying, you don't know whether or not you are going to be successful. So this is the qualities of a good leader, that you should have the vision. At least you should know आपके पास goal says it's good thing that you have a vision. You should have the ability to lead the change. अगर आपको vision है, but आपको change ही नहीं चाहिए. You know, there is an image. अगर मैं किसी को पूछती हूँ, how many of you want change in the organization, and all of them are doing or raising the hand. But if I am asking that how many of you are willing to change, then there is no one. See, if you are not willing to change, then do you think so you will bring the change in your life? आपको लगता है ये चीज is no. So remember that from this moment you are going to change in whatever things you are doing. You need to inspire people. Now inspire doesn't mean that you have to be a motivational speaker, but at least आप किसी को support तो कर सकते हो. Right? अगर किसी ने में कुछ fail हुआ या some person is doing good, so don't say कि ये तो चलता रहता है. No, you correct her, you correct him at that point, and that will not only give you the respect, but it will also help you to grow, not the other person, because you know that whatever advice you give, it proved correctly. Next is you have to be honest and you need to set an example. जैसे अगर मैं जब भी मेरा ट्रेनिंग देती हूँ, so I always give my example, क्योंकि मुझे किसी और का example नहीं देना. Why? Because until and unless I am not giving my example, I don't know the story behind it. I don't know what was the struggle. So you have to set the example. You need to empower people. You need to do the forward looking. आज से 6 महीने के बाद आप क्या करने वाले हो वो आपको अभी से पता होना चाहिए. Consider that this corona is going to stay for more 6 months and और 6 महीने तक स्कूल नहीं खुलने वाली है. Are you prepared? Are you prepared completely? Yes, so then there should not be the technical break in your mind. Accept it, adapt it and change the way the situation is. You have to be competent. Now there are few things that makes a leader. Is number one, you should have the maturity and charisma. Now what is maturity and charisma? You know, people should feel like coming to you. आप लोग जो बोलते हो कि I feel very much alone या I am not feeling very much good at this point, मेरे पास तो कोई आता ही नहीं है, तो always assume two things. Why people are coming to you? Is it to spend time or is it to learn something from you? These are the questions you need to ask yourself. If you are not asking this kind of question, then you will not be able to know where you are leading other people. Next, you should have the development. You need to keep developing yourself. You should have the analytical ability. कितने लोग एनालिसिस करते हैं सिचुएशन का? 1, 2. Everyone is doing analysis. What you get out of this analysis? Are you implementing it? 50% yes, 50% no. क्योंकि हम लोगों को डर लगता है what if I get failed? क्या अगर मैम मुझे डांटेगी तो? So we always have this fear. Next is you should have the contextualization decision. As Ranjana ma'am told, if you are not a real decision maker, how will you be a leader? आपका किड आपके पास आता है और आपको बोलता है कि mom, there is a raining outside. You want me to go out and play? And you will say, I don't know. What your kid will do? अगर खराब मूड में होगा तो बोलेगा कि मैं मम्मा आपको ही नहीं पता तो मैं कैसे क्या करूँगा, है ना? So you should be a very good decision maker. Next is you have to be self-confident. Why? If you are not confident, don't think. How you can be more confident is something that will make you leader. Is it because that if I want to be more confident, maybe I am lacking knowledge, so I will start reading book. I am lacking the confidence because कुछ past में ऐसा हो गया था कि मेरा decision गलत पड़ा था. It should not be the blockage in your success. It's okay if you are getting failed. मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ, I am sure Ranjana ma'am will accept this thing as well, that it's okay to get failed in your life. It's okay, कोई आपको नहीं निकालने वाला है. But what you are learning out of that failure is very much important. If you don't have the skill to accept the failure, then you are not going to be leader. Whether it is for self or whether it is for other people, you need the desire to lead. कितने लोगों को lead करना है? How many of you want to lead 10 people? Not all. कितने लोगों को? How many of you are senior faculty? I mean, who are with LMS since more than 10 years? Okay, 3-4 people. I would say these are the true leaders. You have plenty of things to learn from this. I would say plenty of things. आप लोग में से कितने लोग senior faculty के पास में जाके बैठे और पूछा कि how we can upgrade ourselves? स्कूल में क्या चल रहा है? How we can make things better? How we can make the student life better? How we can be the leader like you? Sorry, ma'am? Sorry. Okay. So there is only one person. Next is you have the drive to achieve. आपके पास achieve करने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं तो आप कुछ नहीं करोगे. Whether you want to achieve work-life balance, whether you want to achieve a good financial status, whether you want to achieve your PhD degree, whether you want to achieve the new language, you should have the desire to do that. Last year कितने लोग traveling पे गए थे? Last year I am talking about. Okay. Were you very much excited about traveling? If you name your kids, है ना? मम्मा ये लेके आओ, पापा ये लेके आओ, हमें ये कपड़े पहनने हैं, हम ऐसी जगह जाएंगे. Why? Because they really want to have the desire. So profession is the same thing. If you don't have desire, you are not going to get success. So always remember this, that discovering a leader in you is a continuous process. It is not like that कि आज आपको पता चला कि you know I am a leader and एक महीने के बाद आप you know you stop having the action. It is not going to get happen. You should have the continuous process. आप कुछ reading करो, you do things in your professional life. So you and yeah, remember one thing. Leadership is pleasure as well as pain. You have to accept it. It is just like delivering a baby. You are as excited to complete your 9 months, but as soon as the moment comes, all of your mother, I guess you will relate to me on this thing. It is as painful as having the baby and as pleasure as having a baby. The process of leadership is difficult. Believe me, 40 में से 10 लोग may started to dislike you. That you know she has started to change, but don't think about that. It is for their betterment. So, before moving ahead, I would like to have a break. I know it's been more than an hour. So, let's have a break for 10 minutes. We will come back in next 10 minutes. And from here, your real transformation will start. So, get prepared, have tea, have coffee, get fresh, have water. बहुत कुछ exciting अभी होने वाला है. Okay, 10 minutes, 12 o'clock. I want all of you. So, yeah, you're welcome. I understand that, you know, we always need a break. Hello? Okay. So, this is the SWOT analysis I want all of you to do in very quick 2 minutes. आप जितना जल्दी सोच सकते हो. How many of you don't know what is SWOT analysis? सबको पता है? आपने किया है पहले कभी? नहीं किया है. So SWOT analysis is I want you to write your strength, your weakness, your threat and your opportunity. Just like this. Put up a 4 square in a very quick 2 minutes. आप आपकी strength लिखो, आपकी weakness लिखो, आपके threats लिखो and आप क्या opportunity you want to create for your career आप वो लिखो. Strength, weakness, opportunity and threat. Write your best 3. ज़्यादा नहीं लिखोगे चलेगा. And as this notepad is going to be with you, you can write it later on as well. But what is more important for me is आज सेशन में जितना किया उतना हो गया, अभी मुझे टाइम नहीं है. I don't want all of you to do this, okay? Because if you don't spend on yourself, then how will you know what you want to do on it? Self homework तो करना पड़ेगा ना, right? Okay. Now this is just keep in your mind. I don't want all of you to share. Whatever your strength is, keep it as opportunity. For an example, if we have 4 or 5 senior people over here, so their strength is that you know they can actually empower new people. Ask yourself, are you doing it? If you yourself are not able to leader for yourself, then how you can expect that junior people or people who have recently joined will be a leader in the organization? Getting my point? अगर जैसे मैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 10 साल से हूँ तो मुझे हर चीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की पता होगी. I'm sure you all must be aware, those who are very much old into the school, what kind of efforts you are putting to be a leader. What kind of responsibility you are taking as a leader is very much important. If you yourself are not taking any leadership, then believe me, no one will take you as a senior people. Guarantee. This is the guarantee. In any organization, school is also the organization. अगर मैं सीनियर हूँ और मेरे साथ में जो टीचर बैठे हैं वो 10 साल से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में हैं, बट अगर वो मुझे ऐसे एफर्ट से नहीं दिखा रहे हैं, they are not giving me any sign, they are not taking any leadership, they are not guiding me anywhere, and even after spending 10 years into the organization, if I am waiting for my boss order, then who is going to take me as a senior faculty? No one, right? So when I say, for an example, if I am going somewhere and they introduce me that Shreya, let's say meet Mr. X, he is with us since 10 years. So I would be expecting he must be knowing everything. और अगर मैं जाके Mr. X को पूछती हूँ that sir how to do please, या मुझे task allocation करना है, decentralization करना है, मैं कैसे करूँ? और मैं बोलूँगी मुझे तो नहीं पता है. What kind of impact it will create on me? In a mind, believe me, very transparently, I will not even respect that person. He will be a failure in my mind. So don't be that. Whether you are with the company since 10 years or 10 months, you have to take the ownership of whatever you have been allotted. अगर मैं किसी में आपको बोलती हूँ कि आपके पास आधा घंटा है, आपको इतनी चीज मैनेज करके आनी है, और आधा घंटे के बाद आप आके मुझे ये बोलते हो कि मैडम हमें तो नहीं पता चला तो हमने नहीं किया. So is this something I would be appreciating? No. What I would be expecting is you be your own problem solver. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है कि कुछ तो अगर मैंने बोला है कि you need to run for 10 kilometers, बट अगर आप मुझे ये बोलते हो कि मैं रास्ता नहीं पता था, मैं आपको पूछूंगी कि ठीक है आप कहाँ पे जाके आपने देखा, आप बोलोगे हम तो कहीं पे नहीं गए. So if you are not stepping out of your fear, if you are not stepping out of your comfort zone, how will you able to lead other people? So first you have to be very much proactive in whatever you are doing, whatever event. For example, I recently heard there is an event tomorrow, if I am not wrong, right? You announced something about dress code. All of you know what you are going to do tomorrow to make this event successful? All of you? Okay. Then, how to discover leader in you? This is most important. I am sure all of you are waiting for this moment. So leadership has the 5 stages. Number 1, I want you to implement it, execute it from this moment. Number 1 is you need to ground yourself. What is ground? मैंने आपको SWOT analysis करवाया. So I want you to know what are your beliefs, what are your values, where you want to go, what is your vision. आपको खुद को वो चीज नहीं पता है तो you will not be able to lead in your life as well as in someone else's life as well. Okay? Then you need to develop a vision. What was my vision for today's session? I want to transform all of you. Now for that मुझे तो पता होना चाहिए and how I will be able to transform. So in the same way, especially this is for people as it is about leadership. My first goal is to transform people who are very much senior and as well as all of you. It is not like those people, but yes, you have to be set an example. You should have the vision that I want to take myself here. If you are able to take yourself somewhere, I mean, if you are growing, believe me, this organization will grow. And anyone and everyone would like to work for the organization who is growing. Right? अगर जैसे LML is been 15 years now? Yeah. 15, right? 19 years. Wow. So अगर 19 years पहले भी स्कूल ऐसी ही होती, it is one of the best school I would say. जिसको जितने लोगों से मैंने सुना है, what makes it best? Do you know what makes this school best? It is you. Then you have to engage challenges. कितने लोग मुझे पता है कि हर कोई challenges से भागता है. Everyone is afraid of failure. अगर आप challenges से भागते हो तो who will lead? अगर मैं आपको ये बोलूँ कि आपको 10 किलोमीटर रनिंग करना है, कल इवेंट है, अगर if there is a car not available, so you need to go in a cab. It should be your logic. You should not go to your leader. You should not go to your colleague and ask that मैम आपने कार में जाने के लिए बोला था लेकिन कार नहीं है. I am so sorry. Is this going to work? It is not going to work. You need to apply your logic that if something is not working, is that the another thing which is working. So कि मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं चल रहा था, would you expect me to go to somewhere and say that मेरा लैपटॉप नहीं चल रहा है, आपके पास कोई solution है? No. Things you should have always in your mind. Then you need to pick up your time if you want to be leader, if you want to transform yourself. और फिर आप मुझे आके ये बोलते हो कि मुझे तो time ही नहीं था, so is it going to work? No. We all sleep for approximately 6 to 8 hours. How many hours we have? 16 hours. 16 hours में अगर आपको आपके लिए स्पेंड करने के लिए 1 घंटा नहीं है, so you are not going to transform. फिर वही होगा कि 12:30 session gets over, I am going home and I am sleeping. Forget everything else. हमने जो बोला था वो तो बोलती रहेंगी. So you need to put your efforts. You need to do homework, right? Sleeping I totally understand. कितनी बार मेरे पास ऐसी लीड्स आई है कि बड़े-बड़े वेबिनार्स, बड़े-बड़े सेमिनार, स्पेशली लॉकडाउन, मुझे 1 नाइट में डिलीवर करने होते हैं. for which I am not even aware. मैंने पहले नहीं किया है, so would you expect me to say no? No. अगर आपके पास कोई सिचुएशन ऐसी आती है कि जैसे मैम आके बोलते हैं कि I am very much occupied today, you form a group of 5 people and I want this result, what will you do? You need to do that, right? There is a slight line between a leader and a follower. What is that slight line? अब सबको लीडर बनना है, किसी को फॉलोवर बनना है? Follower? No, everyone wants to be a leader. If you are a follower, you will only listen and you will get agree with me. If you want to be a leader, then you will execute what I am telling you today. Otherwise, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. I remember मैं जब स्विमिंग सीख रही थी, मेरे सर मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे, I am not yet a swimmer, telling you why, because I was very much afraid. और उस टाइम पे मुझे ये सब पता नहीं था. I was hardly what 6 or 7 years old. मुझे हमेशा डर लगता था. I couldn't be a swimmer क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा था कि नहीं मैं ये चीज़ नहीं कर पाऊंगी. और आज मैं वो चीज़ नहीं कर पाई. So if you really want to do something, you need to trust yourself and you will be able to do that. Then and then only other people will trust you. फिर आप being a leader, you being a senior faculty or you being expert into some language, आप ये बोलते हो कि मुझे ये चीज़ नहीं पता है, तो remember how other people will look into you. So it is not the question I should ask, it is the answer you should, it is the question you should ask to yourself. Okay? Next is you need to get accounted for others. कितने लोग अगर मैं फेलियर हुई, if I am a leader, then I will be answerable for my team as well. अगर आपको ये फियर है कि मैम ने कुछ मुझे बोल दिया है, मैं फेल रहूंगी, तो मैं क्या किसी और के ऊपर मैं वो चीज डाल दूंगी? Are you going to do that? Are you going to do that? You have to take the accountability for whatever things are happening, whatever things has been allotted to you. जैसे मैम ने बोला था कि she cannot decentralize. She will be a true leader when she decentralizes, she gets failed and take accountability for that. Because when you will take the accountability, believe me, you will trust yourself better, you will be able to empower yourself better and you will feel good about it. Next is, how many of you are aware about the Maslow's theory? Management अगर किसी ने किया है. So Maslow's theory has the 5 basic. Number 1, everyone has the physiological basic need which is basic. So सबसे पहले हम लोग लाइफ में क्या करते हैं? We are going to settle down in our अपना जैसे लॉकडाउन है तो हम लोगों ने क्या किया? जाके ग्रोसरी शॉप में चले गए कि कुछ नहीं होता चलेगा, खाना होना चाहिए, because that is our basic need. Then when basic need is fulfilled, you are going for your safety needs. Now what is safety? आपको पता है आपके पास घर है रहने के लिए, you have enough food at your home. You will go for your security. Maybe family security, maybe you will start investing somewhere, maybe you will get employed yourself, या तो किसी को preschool open करना है, सब ये चीज़ तब कर पाओगे when you are secure, right? Then there is a love. So आपके पास अच्छी जॉब भी है, आपके पास घर भी है, तो you will be able to spend more time with your family and friends because now you know that you are settled somewhere in your life. ये 3 आपने अचीव कर ली, उसके बाद है सेल्फ एस्टीम आता है ना. व्हाट इज सेल्फ एस्टीम? आई नो ऑल ऑफ यू वांट अचीवमेंट इन योर लाइफ. किसको अवार्ड लेना पसंद नहीं है? किसी को नहीं. अचीवमेंट कब मिलेगा? When you yourself are happy, when you yourself are accountable for things you are doing. So एक बार ये चीज हो गई, उसके बाद ये आता है सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन. सो सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन इज यू आर डिवोटिंग योरसेल्फ टू अदर पीपल. कि ठीक है मैं स्कूल में हूँ 10 इयर्स से, या मैं ये सब्जेक्ट में एक्सपर्ट हूँ, सो लेट मी ट्रेन समवन एल्स. ना वो ट्रेनिंग के लिए आपको ट्रेनर बनने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन सिंपली गिव देम अ गुड ओपिनियन, यू कैन सिंपली गाइड देम कि मैंने ऐसा किया था, आप भी ऐसा करो. सो बिलीव मी, अगर आपके पास आप जब तक फिजियोलॉजिकल नीड, सेफ्टी नीड, लव एंड सेल्फ एस्टीम में आते हो, जितनी ज्यादा ये चीज मिलेगी ना, आपका मोटिवेशन कम होगा. बिलीव मी, दिस इज अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल. कि अगर आपके पास अच्छे फ्रेंड्स है तो आपको ये लगेगा कि मैं थोड़ा और फ्रेंड्स बना लेती हूँ बिकॉज आई एम वेरी मच गुड विथ मेकिंग द फ्रेंड्स. मेरा आज ये सैलरी है तो लेट मी ट्राई हार्ड, मैं थोड़ा और बनाती हूँ. सो ये इंक्रीज नहीं कर रहा है आपका मोटिवेशन, ये डिक्रीज कर रहा है. यू विल बी मोर मोटिवेटेड जब आप किसी और को सिखाओगे ये चीज. और ऐसा कहीं पे भी नहीं लिखा है कि आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सिर्फ 2 महीने से हो या 3 महीने से हो तो यू कैन नॉट टीच टू अदर पीपल. नो, इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. Everyone is a leader and it is on you how you prove your leadership. If being, अगर आपके माइंड में ये चीज है कि मैं सीनियर पाऊंगी, या मैं ही ये चीज़ करूंगी मेंटालिटी, या यू नो इफ यू आर वेरी मच जूनियर एंड अगर आपको ये लगता है कि मैं पहले स्कूल में सेटल डाउन हो जाती हूँ, समवन सेड दैट रिसेंटली ज्वाइन किया है, राइट? या सो डोंट हैव दिस मेंटालिटी, इट इज ऑन यू हाउ यू आर अप्रोचिंग अदर पीपल. If you are approaching other people will get motivated by you. Let's look at मैम, वो अच्छी तरीके से लोगों के साथ बात करती है, so let me go and learn from that people. And for an example, if she is coming to you, then it is your responsibility you guide them for that. It is guiding should not be the superior level. See, there is a difference between a leader and a manager. Manager होगा ना वो हमेशा स्कॉल्ड करेगा. Leader होगा वो शांति से बैठ के समझाएगा. Leader will accept 100 mistakes. And believe me, a true leader will scold as well, and the true leader will pamper you as well. So if someone is scolding you, don't take it personally, because we are here for our career. This is the professional network. This is a professional environment. And if something is done wrong, then you are going to get scolded for this, and it is for your betterment. अगर आपने गलती की है, आपके बच्चे ने शायद नाइफ हाथ में ले लिया, तो it is called, आपको ऐसा नहीं करना है. Is it for you or is it for his? It is for your kid, right? So if someone is scolding you, especially if your faculty or senior people or your colleagues, so don't take it personally. Next. Okay, so here are the 3 qualities any successful person should have. Number 1 is the ownership. आपको अगर कुछ काम दिया गया है तो you have to take the ownership कि आप उसको कैसे personally लेते हो. अगर मैं बोलती हूँ कि या मैम ने मुझे बोला कि श्रेया आज सुबह स्कूल में सेशन है, तो मैं बोलूँगी ठीक है ना, ये सेशन तो है, what it has to do with me. But what I do that अगर मैं अच्छा काम करूँगी तो मेरे स्कूल की मेरी इम्प्रेशन सही होगी. हम लोग कुछ नहीं खाना अच्छा बनाते हैं तो घर में कुछ नहीं खाना किसने बनाया है, right? So you need to take the ownership. You need to take the responsibility for that. And once you take, so there is a difference between ownership and responsibility. And then that is third point is accountability. Now can someone tell me the difference between responsibility and accountability? Anyone? Responsibility is something that मैं ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले रही हूँ कि आज के ट्रेनिंग सेशन में जितना भी कैमरा कहाँ पे रखना है, चेयर कहाँ पे रखनी है, नोटपैड कहाँ पे, लैपटॉप कहाँ पे रखना है, मैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती हूँ कि मैं सब रख दूँगी. But I need to take the accountability as well, that if anything goes wrong, I am responsible for that. That is the accountability. So accountability is the only thing which makes the leader successful. अगर आप खुद आपकी मिस्टेक एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो कौन करेगा? Then it might possible कि आपके colleagues को या आपके जो guest है उनको ऐसा लगेगा कि ठीक है she is just hiding, but back of the mind everyone will have the impression कि she is not ready to accept her mistake. Are you growing? अगर आप खुद की mistake accept नहीं करोगे तो आप grow करोगे? नहीं करोगे. So again I am telling you, I don't want to be the good listener. I want you to be a good executor as well. I know आज मैं जहाँ पे बोलूँगी आप रिलेट करोगे, बट वो रिलेट करने के बाद आप नेक्स्ट वीक के बाद क्या एक्सिक्यूशन लेते हो, क्या एक्शन लेते हो, दैट मैटर्स फॉर यू, नॉट फॉर मी. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज देयर आर द स्टेप्स ऑफ सेल्फ अकाउंटेबिलिटी. सो दिस इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग, आई टैग इन अ शॉर्ट. नंबर 1 इज सबसे पहले मुझे ये देखना है कि व्हाट आई वांट टू डू इन माय करियर, whether it is event or whether it is a long term career. So number 1, just work it out that what I want to do, then work it out that did I maintain high standard. For an example, if I have the capacity to drive to Baroda in 90 minutes, but still because of my laziness I am reaching in 3 hours. So is it my mistake? Did I do the work with full standard? I didn't. आपको पता है कितने लोगों ने बोला टाइम मैनेजमेंट का इश्यू है. We are not able to manage time in professional and personal life. So it is because you are not doing best out of you. आप चाहते हो तो 2 घंटे में कुकिंग हो सकता है, but just because you are lazy, you have 100 thoughts going on in your mind that makes you slow. So whatever you are doing in your life, you have to maintain your high standard. You should have the enough time to work on the quality. कुछ करने के लिए करते हो या you really want to do that thing matters a lot. Next is, did I regulate procrastinate to complete my work? We all do procrastination. We all delay the things. YouTube. We are delaying the things, right? There has to be nothing to delay. If you want something, do it at this moment. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैम ने आज मुझे बोला है कि श्रेया 4 o'clock तक तुम्हें इतने रिपोर्ट्स मुझे सबमिट करने हैं, सो विल आई वेट टिल 3:30 एंड देन आई विल डू कि मुझे रिपोर्ट सबमिट करने तब मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा? विल आई डू दैट? नो. व्हाट हैपन कि अगर मैम ने बोला कि श्रेया 4 o'clock नहीं तुम्हें 3 o'clock को आना है, आई विल बी अनसक्सेसफुल. सो व्हाटएवर यू हैव बीन अलॉटेड, आपको जो भी काम बोला गया है, यू बी प्रोएक्टिव अबाउट इट. डोंट डिले कि ठीक है ना मैं ये बाद में कर लूंगी, ये मैं बाद में कर लूंगा. इट शुड नॉट बी दैट. Did I make good use of available resource? What is available resource according to you is your colleagues. अगर आपको कुछ काम दिया है तो आप कलीग्स को बोलते हो या नहीं बोलते मैटर्स अ लॉट अगेन. अगर आप आपके कलीग्स को नहीं बोल पाते हो, देयर इज नो ग्रोथ, राइट? सो देयर शुड बी टीम वर्क ओवर हियर. इट शुड नॉट बी लाइक अगर मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मैं 5 लोगों को पिक करती हूँ और मैं बोल दूँ कि इतना काम प्लीज आप आपस में बांट लो. सो देयर हैज टू बी समवन इन अ ग्रुप हु विल टेक द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी फॉर दैट. तो ओके फाइन मैम, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैंने नेहा मैम को बोला है कि मैंने नेहा मैम को ये बोल दिया कि कल इवेंट है, इतना देख लेना है, देन इट शुड बी ऑन नेहा मैम दैट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन शी वांट्स इन हर टीम. फॉर दैट यू शुड नो योर कलीग्स. So this is the one example of the leadership. Next is, did I receive and did I review and re-review my work? Very much important. जब हम homework देते हैं और कुछ गलती होती है स्टूडेंट से, तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? दूसरी बार नहीं पढ़ा था. Did you review your work? So it is very much important कि आप कुछ भी चीज करते हो उसको सबमिट करने से पहले, उसको यस बोलने से पहले आप एक बार उसको नजर मान लो कि मेरी सही है या नहीं है. Next is, did I practice my work? अगर मैंने आज ये ट्रेनिंग का प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया होता तो बिलीव मी, इट डजंट मैटर हाउ गुड ट्रेनर आई एम, आई वाज नॉट एबल टू स्पीक एज कॉन्फिडेंट एज आई एम टुडे. सो प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन परफेक्ट. इट इज द स्लोगन एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज अ स्लोगन दैट यू नीड टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इट. डिड आई आस्क फॉर हेल्प? नो, वी नेवर आस्क फॉर हेल्प. हम लोगों को क्या लगता है कि यार मैं हेल्प के लिए जाऊंगी तो क्या लोग सोचेंगे मेरे बारे में. सो डोंट डू दिस. It is up to you. You should go to other people. You ask for the help. You know I am occupied. Those who want to decentralize the work, जैसे मैम ने बोला, so there is nothing wrong in helping. घर में busy होते हैं तो maybe हम लोग हमारे मदर इन लॉ को या हमारी दादा को बोलते हैं कि यार प्लीज थोड़ा हेल्प कर लो. So ask your colleague as well to help you. It will build your relationship. It will you will be able to complete the task on time, and other person will learn from you. And now last is, did I work for which I feel proud and show it globally? Tell me your one achievement कि जो आप you can say to other people very proudly. Do you have any achievement जो आप किसी को proudly बोल सकते हो, पूरी दुनिया को बोल सकते हो कि मैंने ये चीज की है? है कोई ऐसा achievement? Oh wow! So see, ma'am believes and ma'am says that you are her family. What can be the biggest achievement than this? Do you think so? No. So always have such achievement, and if you really want this kind of achievement, so you need to fit on all these criteria. कोई स्विमर है, अगर उसको कंपटीशन जीतना है तो वो सिर्फ स्विमिंग से जीतेगा? He will keep practicing it. अगर मुझे मेरा खुद का रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करना है तो मैं ऐसे ही करूंगी? No, I need to keep practicing it, right? So there is a line between who are the accountable people and who are not the accountable. Again, this is something you need to ask yourself. If you are not accountable, you will not work. If you are not accountable, you will not be honest. If you are not accountable, you will not have any respect or responsibility towards your work as well as towards your colleague. But if you are accountable, if you are a true leader, or if you really want to be a true leader, then you will be working hard, you will be working smart, and you will work together. कभी भी अकेले हम लोग सक्सेस नहीं अचीव कर सकते हैं. You need to take other people along with you. So there are 4 things that I want you to remember, that if you really want to be a true leader, so number 1, you have to see the thing. आपका विजन क्या है वो आपको देखना पड़ेगा. You need to own it on you. Then you need to solve it, and then you need to do it. If we are going into the deeper way, so how you can see the problem? So if you want to be a leader, so number 1, you need to check what is the point of view of particular situation. Here, I want you to write down the problem, the latest you are facing in your life. This is a small exercise. हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि आप एक प्रॉब्लम लिखो और जो मैं स्टेप्स बता रही हूँ आपको उस हिसाब से आप आपके प्रॉब्लम के हिसाब से उसको नेविगेट करो. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अगर मेरे लिए प्रॉब्लम ये है that let's say that I am not able to drive a car. Consider it is my problem. So what I will do, I will ask you that what is your point of view about that problem. So मैं बोलूँगी कि maybe I have a fear or maybe I am not confident. Then मैं आपको पूछूंगी कि what is the feedback. So मैं किसी का feedback नहीं ले रही हूँ. मैंने feedback लिया होता तो शायद मुझे पता चलता कि you know where I am getting wrong और मेरे mind में जो problem है वो सही है और it is just in my mind. Getting my point? So it is a quick exercise I want to do. I want all of you to do to make you a leader. So आप क्यों leader नहीं बन पा रहे हो उसको आप problem देखो and now I want you to elaborate in your conflict. Anyone who didn't get? किसी को नहीं पता चला या सबको पता चला? Okay. So number one, you see the problem, whatever you are facing, उसमें आपको क्या करना है, आपका point of view लिखना है, वो problem के बारे में आप क्या सोच रहे हो. दूसरा, feedback आपने लिया है या नहीं लिया है, आप वो लिखो. But if whether or not the problem is realistic, it is a real problem, it is just your imagination. And number four, consider all facts. कि वो problem सही है नहीं है, उसमें क्या हो सकता है. I want you to write. Otherwise, this is the transformation. So if you are not realizing by yourself, then there is no meaning of it. Anyone who didn't get? So have to be quick. If you are keeping the notebook blank, that means you really don't have any problem to be a leader, it is just in your mind. Last one is consider all facts. What is the fact behind that problem? Moving ahead, आपने problem तो देख लिया, but are you capable enough to take the responsibility? So उसके लिए आपको क्या 4 step करना है? Number one, if you want to take the responsibility, as I told you, you have to get personal visit. चाहे वो कॉलेज का हो या घर का हो, घर के काम हम लोग कैसे करते हैं? खुद का मान के. So in the same way, whatever things you are doing in your professional life, you have to own it. You need to get personally attached. ऐसा मत सोचो कि ये मैं मेरे लिए नहीं कर रही हूँ, ये मैं स्कूल के लिए कर रही हूँ. Then you will never be success in your life. Thinking that whatever task I am doing, it is for me and you will achieve it. Then, what is the contribution you can make to make it success? What kind of person are you? आप वेट करते हो आपकी चेयरमैन की मैम आके मुझे बोलेंगे कि तुम्हें ये काम करना है, और you will take the ownership about that thing. So if you are personal, then I am sure you will take the ownership about it. Next is you need to make the commitment to yourself. Whatever goals you told me, are you committed to your goals? If yes, then I want you to start working from this moment. And next is you need to align your work with a result. Am I clear till now? Okay. Now आपने problem देख लिया, आपने responsibility own कर ली. Then what you are going to do is to take the action. Any thought without action is just a thought. So how you can take the action? Always ask. Always take a leadership. How can I help you? I have seen people कि जिसको बोलने कितना बोलते हैं फिर भी वो लोग काम नहीं करते. Are you want to be one of them? Or you want to be one of them who can be a true leader? So लोगों को पता चले कि look at this man. अगर मैं आपको पूछूंगी that leave Ranjana ma'am at this moment, who is a leader for you in this group? I am sure you won't have one person because we feel that we all are same. Okay? So you need to ask what else can I do. Number one, you need to test your assumption whether or not you are right or not. तो जैसे मैंने बोला, you need to be very much proactive in your decision, and until and unless you are not testing it, you will not able to know कि मैं सही हूँ या गलत हूँ. Next is you need to provide the solution. Problems होते हैं, solution किसी के पास नहीं होता है. Do you know what is the strategy every successful organization has is, जो मैं मेरी कंपनी में भी करती हूँ. If someone is knocking my door and telling me that Shreya, I have this problem, so I will ask that person, okay, give me a solution. If you have a problem, that means there must be something in your mind you have thought otherwise. So if you can't tell me that what is the solution, then there is no problem. अगर मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि मुझे यहाँ से राजस्थान जाना है, ओके फाइन, सो व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? सो दैट मीन्स मुझे राजस्थान नहीं जाना है, आई वांट टू गो समवेयर एल्स. सो इफ यू हैव द प्रॉब्लम, यू ऑलरेडी हैव द सॉल्यूशन, बट इट इज जस्ट आप उनको डीपर वे में नहीं सोच रहे हो. गेटिंग इट? सो जब भी आपको ये लगे कि मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो ऑलवेज थिंक व्हाट कैन बी द अल्टरनेटिव अबाउट इट एंड हाउ कैन आई रिकॉग्नाइज द थिंग्स टू कंट्रोल. बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज टुडेस ट्रेनिंग. मेरा लैपटॉप बिगड़ गया सुबह ट्रेनिंग में. It was working fine until and unless it was get set up, but I knew that few things are not under my control. So you have to accept that you cannot be 100% successful. That doesn't mean you don't try. That doesn't mean आप उसकी accountability मत लो. That doesn't mean आप उसका responsibility मत लो. Accept it कि कहीं ना कहीं तो failure होने ही वाला है. Again, I am not talking something on political over here, but if I am giving you the example of our Prime Minister, do you think so? He must have failed somewhere. हम सबको ये चीज पता है. Does that mean he will stop leading? No. What we will do, ठीक है? That person got failed, but still he is trying, so he is a true leader. So that is the same thing you need to do over here. Last but not least is you need to solve the problem. First you solve the problem, then you own it, then you took the responsibility for that, and now you need to solve. So how you can solve the problem is you should have the clarity in your mind what exactly I want to do. If you are not clear in your mind, you will not clear. Next is you need to report proactively. जो मैंने बोला था, अगर आपको मैम बोलते हैं कि आपको 4 बजे तक ये चीज़ या ये लिस्ट के साथ आना है, तो you have 2 option. अगर आप blankly चले जाओ या आप कुछ लेके 3 बजे पहुंच जाओ. What will have the impact? 4 बजे कुछ नहीं लेके जाओ तो उसका इम्पैक्ट होगा, या प्रोएक्टिवली 3 बजे रिपोर्ट सबमिट करके उसका इम्पैक्ट होगा? Okay. So are you going to do that from this moment? By the way, for your information, next week I am going to take the feedback from Ranjana ma'am about your activities. So I should know that whether or not things are happening as per what I taught you today, what I transformed you today. अगर यहाँ पर ये करते हो और बाहर जाके ऐसा हो रहा है, so no, forget. जो भी मैंने leadership के बारे में बोला था वो नहीं होगा. And again I am telling you, it is for you, it is not for me. Okay? Take action, be proactive, whatever you are doing. You need to take the follow-up. कुछ चीज नहीं आती है, so don't wait till 4 o'clock कि मैम बुलाएंगे तब जाके बोलेंगे कि मैम पता नहीं था तो हम 4 बजे तक का वेट कर रहे थे. No, you have to take the follow-up proactively. मैम ने कुछ चीज बोली है 4 बजे कंप्लीट करने, तो वो कंप्लीट करने के लिए बोला है, डाउट के लिए नहीं बोला है आपको. Right? So I am sure that whatever task you have been allotted वो आपको कुछ अर्जेंसी में तो होगा नहीं, पूरा प्लानिंग के साथ होता है. So this will give you 2 impressions. Number 1, you are very much serious about your profession, and number 2, you have the quality of leadership. And next, you need to plan it. So again, give you the same example. 12 बजे मैम ने कुछ बोला और आप 4 बजे तक का वेट कर रहे हो. 4 बजे मैम आपको सॉल्यूशन बोलती है कि ठीक है आप ऐसा नहीं ऐसा करो, और फिर पता चलेगा घर जाने का टाइम हो गया है. So ultimately, what will happen? You will have to sit back to complete your work. But if you are proactive about this, remember the situation. आपने 2 बजे मैम को पूछ लिया कि मैम आई वाज जस्ट स्टडीइंग दिस, मुझे ये चीज नहीं आ रही है या मेरा कलीग कोऑपरेट नहीं कर रहा है, सो मैं क्या करूं? सो मैम विल गिव यू द सॉल्यूशन एट 2 o'clock which will make you to get successful कि आप वो टास्क 4 बजे तक आपने कंप्लीट कर लिया. सो यहाँ पे 2 बेनिफिट हुए. यू बिकम अ ट्रू लीडर, एंड सेकंड यू विल बी एबल टू गो होम ऑन टाइम. क्लियर इट? So ultimately घूम फिर के हम लोग एक ही बात में आते हैं कि you have to take the accountability over here, and here you are colleagues, you are not friends. I never say that don't make friends at workplace. You should have friends at workplace, but it should be out of the gate. क्लियर? अगर मैं लीडर हूँ और मेरा कलीग क्या गलत कर रहा है वो मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ तो वो मेरा ग्रोथ रुकेगा, नॉट मेरे कलीग का. So that applies to all of you. So whenever you are wrong, just say that you are wrong. There is nothing bad about it. मैं अगर आपको ऐसा बोलती हूँ, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अगर किसी ने मास्क नहीं पहना, मैं बोलूँगी कि यू नीड टू वेयर मास्क प्लीज. मैंने काफी सारी बार बताया है, आप नहीं बोल रहे हो, बट यू नीड टू डू दैट. सो विल आई बी रॉन्ग इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट पर्सन? I won't be wrong, right? Rather वो होगा कि I am very much conscious about what I want and what I don't want. So that is what the leadership is. I would be ending with one of the very good. Very positive note over here. I know few of you are not Gujarati, but still something I read it yesterday as it was Janmashtami. I would like to share it with you. How many of you are comfortable with Gujarati? Majority. So you will relate this. Krishna એ દરેકના મનમાં રહેલો એક સુપર હીરો છે, જેની વાતો તો બધા એક સરખી સાંભળે છે, પણ એનો સાર દરેક માટે અલગ હોય છે. ડાર્વિનના ઉત્ક્રાંતિવાદની સામે કૃષ્ણ અવતાર મૂકતા આપણને એ ખ્યાલ આવે છે કે કૃષ્ણ એક સંપૂર્ણ સ્વરૂપ છે. કૃષ્ણ એ ભારતની ક્યુમ્યુલેટિવ ઇન્ટેલિજન્સનું પ્રતીક છે. કૃષ્ણ એ ભારતના ઇતિહાસમાં પડેલી વૈભવતા અને દિલમાં પડેલો પ્રેમ છે. નાઉ સમથિંગ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ઇઝ કમિંગ. કૃષ્ણ એ બિંદુ છે જ્યાં ઇતિહાસ, ભૂગોળ, રાજકારણ, વિજ્ઞાન, ગણિત બધું ભેગું થાય છે. મોડર્ન સાયન્સના કહેવા પ્રમાણે આ સમગ્ર સૃષ્ટિનું નિર્માણ બિગ બેંગ દ્વારા એક બિંદુમાંથી થયેલું છે અને કૃષ્ણ એ જ બિંદુ છે. અને આ યુનિવર્સલ સ્વરૂપને માનવના દૃષ્ટિકોણથી देखिए તો કૃષ્ણ દેવકીનો દીકરો છે, દરેક રાધાનો પ્રેમ છે, દરેક પાંચાલીનો ભાઈ છે, દરેક અર્જુનનો મેન્ટર છે અને દરેક સંબંધનો સાર છે. દરેક સપના પાછળની શક્તિ અને દરેક વવનના પાછળનો જવાબ છે. બસ વાત એટલી જ છે કે તમે કૃષ્ણને ક્યાં શોધો છો. કૃષ્ણ એક લીડર છે અને જેમ આમાં કહ્યું છે, जैसे इसमें बोला गया है that कृष्ण देवकी का so he is a son of Devki. So this is the true sign of a leadership. If someone wants you as a friend, be there as a friend. If someone wants you as a senior, be there as a senior. If someone wants you as a mentor, be there as a mentor. If someone wants you as a mother, be there as a mother. And if someone wants you as a teacher, be there as a teacher. So leadership doesn't have only one value. Leadership is the way you are seeing yourself. Leadership is the way you are teaching someone. And leadership is the way you are changing your life and as well as the other's life. So always be Krishna in your life as well as in others' life as well. So thank you very much. That was all from me. Anyone who would like to ask anything? I hope I covered though. Any question, anything you are facing, any problems? Yes. The lesson of session is you need to execute. If you are not executing, if these 2 hours are not going to transform your life. So thank you very much for all your patience. I took few minutes extra, but it was all for me, it was all for you. So thank you very much.
And to share your knowledge, okay, we'll try to implement these things and we'll try to encourage better leader in ourselves. Thank you.
All of you to try, because if you will try, you will get trying only. Okay, so execute it. Thank you.